So you want to go to college and dream of having an amazing career, but the odds seemed stacked against you. Well, same here, but somehow I made it through, and I'm here to share my experiences and tips with you. This is Go, Grow, and Glow with Sophia DJ. College advice to get you to where you want to be in life.
Hey guys, right now I'm in the office space. Today's the first day that I'm going to be using this space rather than doing class at home, just so that I have a quieter space to study and stuff, because I really need to focus on grad school and being at home can be a distraction. So hopefully this is a good alternative for me to help with my focus and be in a space where there are less distractions. So this is the space. Can't show too much, but it's pretty dope. I mean, it's brand new. This office space is still being built. So I'm going to be showing you guys like around a little bit. When you come here, this is the kitchen space. That's the printer. I have to set up my computer to the printer, but this is the printer. It's pretty cool. You know, there's the standard office kitchen stuff. There's coffee, tea, a refrigerator that I can put my lunch in. So then if we come over here, down this hallway, and turn right here and through this door, this is where I am mostly. This is where I'm going to be set up with me and one other person from my program. You know, social distance is going to be safe. But what I really like about this is how big it is. It's a conference room. It's brand new. And then for Zoom, for class, I just set up my laptop. This is my laptop here. I just set it up, and I connected it to the projector. So it's pretty cool how me and whoever else is in here, we can just watch the Zoom together on the TV rather than having to watch it on our individual laptops, but we still have that option if that would work out better for us. There's also other rooms in this building for other offices. I think the director showed me one more office that I could have used. That one has a window. This room doesn't have a window, but I chose this one because it's bigger and easier to social distance in here than it is in the other one, because the other one's a bit smaller. But also, this room has a clock on that wall. These little hand dispenser things, it's really nice. They have hand sanitizer. So, got some hand sanitizer, you know, to keep safe, COVID. And yeah, I'm just gonna be here. I plan on coming here in the mornings just to do class, and then if I have a lot of work to do after class, I'll probably stay for that too. But it's pretty cool that I have access to such a space. So when it comes to resources, definitely reach out if you need something from the people that run the program, because at least in my program, like, they're very, very helpful, and make sure that we have supports that we need to be successful. So that's definitely tip number one. But I'm gonna see you guys later. Class is going to start soon, so I have to get ready, and yeah, I'll holler at you guys at the end of the day to see how it was being in the space, and I'll update you. All right, catch you later. It is now 11:30, and I just finished class, and I will say that just the change of environment was definitely helpful in my engagement and my learning for today's class, because all of a sudden today I had no other choice but to focus on what was being said by the professor and my classmates, and it allowed me to really think and sit and contribute what I was thinking about to the conversation. I was able to participate a lot more today as something that I recognize. Yes, I was like aiming to work on that anyway, but I definitely know that just having this quiet space definitely facilitated some of that. So yeah, I am really grateful. I took some detailed notes, ate my snacks, and now I'm going to get a head start on my homework and start diving into the reading that we have to do for tonight. It is a lengthy one, it is a dense one, but I'm going to get it done. So, this is Sophia from the future. As I'm editing this video, I realized that I didn't close it out, so I'm going to do that now. Thank you guys for watching. I love that this series is actually like coming together, and I'm able to share my tips and bring you along with me on my journey to grad school, so that not only am I giving you tips, but you're also seeing in real time how I'm navigating grad school and how I'm using what I learned throughout undergrad to help me prosper in grad school as well. Make sure you subscribe, like this video if you took something from it, if it made you smile, if you learned something, if you appreciated it, go ahead and give it a like. It helps me out. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. I am noticing that as I post more and more people are coming to glow with me. So I'm really appreciative of that, and let's keep it going.
Always remember to go, grow, and glow. If this video was helpful to you in some way, shape, or form, subscribing to my channel could help you even more.